Thank you. One of the questions we've been asked is, why are the videos short? The videos are short because they are meant to give you an introduction. They quickly cover off key points and issues around business transformation of knowledge worker services. We are hoping to produce more videos that provide further detail and run for a longer period. At this stage, they're short, sharp, focused to give people the information they need to move on and transform their business. Please feel free to get further details from the book, including case studies, scenarios, exercises, and practical implementation details. The book is available direct from the publisher, Amazon, or other bookstores. Any author profits from the book and the videos go to charity and community purposes. Thank you for your time. Hope you enjoyed the session and look forward to your comments. Don't forget to subscribe so that we can help you, and please make the most of the other videos.